guys, I'm literally freaking out right now. You're not gonna believe what happened. So the other day, I left this journal at my favorite cafe with a question that said, "What is your Christmas wish?" And I know that's cheesy, okay? But I didn't expect anybody to answer. So I went back to the cafe, and let me tell you what happened, okay? So I picked up my journal. No, I wasn't expecting much. Opened up the pages to find words that made me blush. You guys, somebody named Josh, and he's 17. He left a message for me, and I want to tell you what he said. I'm literally freaking out. He said this: "My Christmas wish is to find someone I can hold." Someone to explore this crazy world and be bold. What do I